What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Thank you so much for taking the time to hang out. EMT here, and in this video I want to share with you 3 PGYTECH products that I've been using for the past couple of months that I think are a must-have for every level of photographer. Let's dive in. So PGYTECH sent us these products. However, the opinions are my own. I have not received any financial compensation to showcase these products other than if you do end up picking something up, there are affiliate links in the description. So take everything with a grain of salt. Having said that, now the first item I want to share with you is the PGYTECH ONE Solo V2. And this is one of those bags that I absolutely adore because it has pockets for days. I can fit fundamentally everything for a single day trip if I am going out to a park to shoot, or if I'm going out to an event and I'm only taking photography, maybe a camera and an extra lens, or maybe even shooting on my smartphone. This bag allows me to carry a myriad different configurations. It is really good quality and it's also splash resistant. It has a signature PGYTECH battery slots where you can actually put your batteries if they're charged or not charged. Just like their backpacks, if you haven't seen the previous backpack videos that I've recorded showcasing PGYTECH gear, check the link in the description, but that carries on. And I love the fact that PGYTECH continues to bring those signature features across their different versions of products. The ONE Solo V2 actually has a pencil slot or a stylus slot. Depending on the tablet that you're using, you may actually fit the entire tablet here. I actually have an 11-inch tablet that I can slide in with the pencil and everything fits there. So if I'm traveling light, or let's say I'm doing a very simple shoot and I want to edit right away, I can bring everything I need in the ONE Solo V2. So this is perfect for a day at the park, a concert. So this is a great bag overall. The quick adjustable buckle is a breeze. You just pretty much simply slide that thing up and down and it's effortless. I do not want to use anything else that doesn't have these features because it just makes my life a lot easier. A breeze. If I'm going to struggle, if I'm going to be shooting in the sun, in the heat, in the cold, carrying heavy gear, I want to be as comfortable and as smooth as possible, and the PGYTECH ONE Solo V2 is so far checking all those boxes. Now it also has bottom straps. If you want to attach a tripod to the bottom of this thing, you can totally do so, which is great, and you can expand that. And for 6 liters and 10 liter versions of the ONE Solo V2 bag, you actually have a water bottle holder, which is actually very, very clutch. And you know, you could definitely put a water bottle there, but at the same time, that's another pocket that you can use to store other things as well while you're on the go, while you're shooting. So now the PGYTECH ONE Solo V2 starts at $69.95, which is pretty insane, and that would be for the 4 liters. But the fact that you can get a bag this quality with all these different expansions and capabilities for sub $100 is very impressive. PGYTECH, very impressive. And let's not forget anti-theft straps, which means that you can actually put your zippers into this little wee thing so that way nobody can open your bag. I don't know who's gonna steal your stuff, but if they try, they can't open it because it has that anti-theft mechanism. And I'm a big fan of that, especially because I travel a lot and it just gives me peace of mind. Now the next must-have accessory for all kinds of photographer, depending on the environment, is a strap. And in this case, I'm talking about the Wrist Strap Air. This thing is amazing. I can wear it without really needing to use it. It's actually kind of classy looking. It reminds me of the Whoop bands or the Nike Fuel bands or things of that nature. But the cool thing about this wrist strap is that it uses the original quick connectors. And if you haven't seen PGYTECH quick connectors, oh boy, you're in for a treat. As a matter of fact, I have them on right now perpetually on my Canon camera, which I'm using to record. But the cool thing about this is that if I am mounting it on a tripod or a gimbal and then I switch to handheld, I can stay locked, stay secure with the wrist strap. You just simply pull this and then connect it to your original quick connector, and then you're in it. And when you're done using it, you just simply put it away in your wrist. That way you don't lose it or have it occupying space that you could use for other things in your bag. So this is, in my opinion, a must-have accessory. According to PGYTECH, this strap, this Wii strap, can actually withstand 35 kilograms. That's 77 pounds of weight. Of course, I didn't put 77 pounds. I just simply put my Canon camera and my lens, and I took a leap and I let it drop, and lo and behold, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little scared. I was a little scared to try that, but if it were to happen unintentionally by an accident, then I am very, very comfortable, and I have a lot of peace of mind now that while I'm wearing the Camera Strap Air, I'm gonna have that added level of security for my camera for any unintentional drops. Now I gotta say, I'm very impressed with the Camera Wrist Strap Air. It is regularly priced at $29 US. $29 for something that is designed to protect thousands and thousands of dollars this good, this comfortably, is very impressive. Bravo, PGYTECH. And then the last product that I think every photographer should have is a shoulder strap. And PGYTECH came out with the Camera Shoulder Strap Air. It is very classy, very stylish, and guess what? It also has the camera quick connector as well. So now you're kind of understanding this design philosophy that PGYTECH has continued over the years, not only with their bags, but now with their straps. And being able to now on my camera have those quick connectors attached and then seamlessly switch between tripod into a shoulder strap or into the wrist strap. It's just a thing of beauty. It's very convenient. Now the PGYTECH Camera Shoulder Strap Air supports a whooping 40 kilograms. That's around 88 pounds. So this strap can support up to 88 pounds, which is crazy. I don't think I'll ever get to that point in terms of weight. The fact that this Camera Strap Air is priced at $39 US can support all that weight and protect your technology for that low entry cost, I think it's very impressive. And hopefully you can see that, but it does have the ability to be adjusted in a very discreet way. You can kind of see the second partition here, but it just makes it very, very sleek, very smooth, and you can adjust this piece. And just overall, the quality that they're bringing to the table is just second to none. I'm very impressed. So that's it. PGYTECH continuing to elevate their quality. I reconnected with them during NAB, and it has been a delight to use their products, and I couldn't recommend them enough. If you're looking for a shoulder strap, wrist strap, or sling bag or camera bag for a trip or a day trip or any kind of situation where you don't really need to bring the entire repertoire, just one lens, maybe just your phone or an iPad or even a drone, right? This thing can fit so many different variety of photographer. Look no further. PGYTECH is definitely elevating the game, and all the links, of course, are down in the description. But I want to know what you think. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section down below. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them down there so we can continue to create relevant content for you. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. All the links to PGYTECH Gear are down in the description. And as always, thank you so much for sharing your time with me. I'll catch you on the next one.